Hello students. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of matter. First, let's talk about pure substances. These are materials made of just one kind of particle, like pure gold or water. They have a consistent structure throughout and cannot be separated into simpler substances by physical means. An element is a pure substance made of only one type of atom. For example, hydrogen, H, oxygen, O, and carbon, C, are elements. Elements are the simplest form of matter and cannot be broken down further. Compounds are also pure substances but are made of two or more elements bonded together. Water, H2O, is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen. Compounds have unique properties different from the elements that form them. Now, let's move on to mixtures. These are combinations of different substances. Unlike pure substances, the components in a mixture maintain their own properties and can be separated by physical means. Homogeneous mixtures, or solutions, have a uniform composition throughout, like sugar dissolved in water. Heterogeneous mixtures have an uneven composition, like oil and water, where you can see the separate layers. So, how do pure substances and mixtures compare? Pure substances are made of one type of particle and have consistent properties. They can only be separated by chemical means. Mixtures, however, are made of different particles and can vary in composition. They can be separated by physical means since their components are just mixed together, not chemically bonded. In mixtures, each component keeps its own properties, unlike in compounds where the properties change. Now that we understand what mixtures are, let's explore how we can separate their components. There are several methods we can use, depending on the type of mixture we're dealing with. For solid-solid mixtures, where both materials are solids, we can use handpicking to remove unwanted items. If the particles are of different sizes, sieving is another option, much like sifting flour. If one material is magnetic, we can use magnetic separation to pull it out. If we have a mixture of an insoluble solid and a liquid, like sand and water, we can use filtration. This involves pouring the mixture through a filter that catches the solid and lets the liquid pass through. Another method is sedimentation and decantation, where we let the solid settle at the bottom and then carefully pour off the liquid. For mixtures of a soluble solid and a liquid, like salt and water, evaporation is an effective method. By heating the mixture, the water evaporates, leaving the salt behind. Crystallization is another method where we slowly cool the solution, allowing the solid to form crystals. When separating liquids, fractional distillation is useful for separating liquids with different boiling points. We heat the mixture, and the liquid with the lower boiling point evaporates first. Another method is decantation, where we carefully pour out the less dense liquid, like oil, from the denser one, like water. To wrap things up, everything around us is made from either pure substances or mixtures. Understanding their differences and how we can separate them is really important in science. Now, here's a quiz question for you. What is the main difference between a pure substance and a mixture? Think about it and share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 6 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.